I've got another outfit from WAKYME. Let's try it on. First up, we've got this really cute black top. Look at the back. This big, beautiful open back. Super cute. I think this is gonna look really cute on. All right, so next up, I'm already excited about this because I can see that it's yellow and I love yellow. So these are really cute. Got the scrunch butt with the cute little pockets. Woo, I am excited about these. So let's try this outfit on. All right, I'm gonna be back here for a second so you can get the full look of this outfit. Are you kidding me? How cute is this, you guys? I'm obsessed with this top. I want to get this top in every single color. And I actually think that you could wear this like with jeans or like cute pants, like dress pants, and wear it out. I don't think that this is necessarily a gym only top. And these pants, are you kidding me? I want these in every color too. Like they feel so good. I love the way these look. That's cute. Yeah. So WAKYME does it again. Whoosh, knocks it out of the park. Use my code, do some shopping, treat yourself. Ooh,
After seeing all these amazing features, ready to grab yours? WAKYME is running their summer sale and flash sale right now. Before you shop, let me tell you how to get free gifts and score a free shorts or leggings with your purchase. I'm obsessed with this cutout open back sports tank top. First of all, the cutout back, total game changer. It shows off just the right amount of skin and keeps you cool while you're working up a sweat. It also has a super flattering neckline and that built-in support we all need. The integrated padding provides comfortable support and a smooth sculpted look. Ultra stretchy, soft, and breathable. It honestly moves with you. Trust me, this is not just another gym top. This is the one that makes you feel confident the moment you put it on. I got it in black, but now I'm eyeing the other colors too. Next, let's talk about these pocket butt lifting leggings. These are not your average leggings. I slipped them on and instantly went, yep, these are the ones. The high waist snatches the tummy just right, and the butt lifting seam in the back. Girl, it lifts and sculpts in all the right places, and the real back pockets that are actually cute and functional. Perfect for when you don't want to carry your phone or keys in your hands during workouts or walks. The fabric is buttery soft, super stretchy, squat-proof, and it hugs you without ever feeling tight or restrictive. Zero awkward tugging, just smooth, sculpted comfort. There are many girls show on the product pages. You can see the products tried on from different body types. They also have a buy more, save more deal. If you buy 3 pieces, you get a canvas tote bag as free gift, which functioned with a yoga mat carrier pocket. This is just what I need for my yoga class. And guess what? I bought 6 pieces and scored a free piece. This buy 5 get 6th free deal is seriously a steal. Perfect timing. I just refreshed my summer wardrobe, and I couldn't be happier. Hurry up, besties. Go check them out at WAKYME.com before the sale ends.